how to make text appear and click in Canva presentations. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. First, open your Canva presentation. Go to the slide where you want the text or objects to appear on click. Next, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, select all the text boxes, images, or other elements that you want to animate. Now, click Animate from the toolbar at the top. In the animation settings, enable the On-Click option. This allows the selected elements to appear only when you click during your presentation. Next, click Click Order. Here, you can arrange the order in which each element will appear. Simply drag the items into your preferred sequence. Once you're finished, preview your presentation to make sure each element appears in the correct order. And that's it. You've successfully made text and other elements appear on click in your Canva presentation. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Canva tips and tutorials.